Hello. Now introducing your loyal evaporation guide. Yeah! Hello, my loyal subjects. I know we have had many droughts since the rain goddess broke up with me. But I have got a solution. As you know, rain goddess's planet is called Earth. It is filled with water. This water is not immune to my powers of evaporation. This means I can evaporate all the water from Earth and we'll have many rains to come, many rains. Before you rejoice, remember I will be very weak after this transaction. I won't be able to use my powers for a whole week. Now let's start the pillaging!
Meanwhile, on Earth, the wolf is having a splendid day. Yes, I am. Dee-da-da-da. Drinking my water. Doing what wolves do. Wait, what? Where'd the water go? Oh my gosh. Did I drink all that water? I've never drank that much water. Well, there was that growth spurt. Wait, no. This is not natural. Something's up. I need to consult the rain goddess. Hey, Wolf, what seems to be the problem? Well, I was going around looking for some water to drink, and when I found it and I was drinking it, it just disappeared. Did it evaporate? Evaporate? Evaporate. The process of liquid turning into gas by heat from the sun. Oh, No, it wasn't that. It was way too fast. I've had a few complaints of that this week. This can only be the work of the evaporation god. We have to stop him. Wait. Before we switch sheets, how will we do this again? Condensation, of course. We need to get you a water cycle book. Condensation is when the water vapor that was evaporated cools and turns into clouds. What does that have to do with the evaporation god? After evaporating all that water, those clouds are probably ready to burst. If we let him evaporate more water, he'll destroy himself. But we have to be there when it happens to capture him. As the wolf and rain goddess are going to the evaporation god's lair, the evaporation god is going about his plan, having no idea of the clouds below him. Mwahahaha, water. Sprout, don't you think it's weird that the rain goddess hasn't gone after me yet? She's probably not aware of it yet, sir. Yeah, probably, said the evaporation god, dropping all suspicions. Meanwhile, the rain goddess and the wolf arrive at the evaporation god's lair. Halt! No one can pass through here. How about if you answer my question correctly, we leave. But if you don't, we can come in. That seems fair. What is it called when all the water collects in a certain place? Example, the ocean. Dang nabbit, I don't know. You can come in. How'd you know that'd work? Devils, low literacy rates. I'm gonna have to leave you here, Wolf. Wait, what? No. It's settled. I'm going in without you. Mwahahaha. Evaporation God. I see you have come to stop me. Let's fight. Yay! We stopped the evaporation God. Yeah, we did. This is great. I'm so glad that we stopped him. I wish it would rain though. I really wish it would rain. My wish came true. Yay, it rained. And now all the clouds are bursting and we're going to have fresh water again. Yay!
Hope you liked it.
Hope you liked it. Bye.
That's funny with that song going in.
Darn it, wait, I didn't wait to pause it. Okay.